John Hart, and we're riding on a jeepney that use survival Ilonggo. When riding a jeep, this is what you have to say when you're going to pay. Bayad.
Seryoso, no?
Duha na siya no at cambio. This is my change. Cambio. Serious na. When you stop the jeep, lugar lang. Lugar lang. So we're going down. So, all going down. Alighting from the jeepney. We are at the bus terminal for the next leg of our trip. This is the ticket booth, but there's no more ticket vendor for our bus, so we just have to fall in line. Linya. These buses are bound for Victoria, Silay City, and Sarabia. This bus is already puno, full, and it's about to leave. Getting on the bus. Sakay means to ride. Riding on the bus. The bus driver is organizing the passengers. Oops. So the bus is on its way. Aside from the bus driver, there's also the bus conductor. So we call him the conductor. The conductor or the conductor takes charge of collecting the fares. First, he gives out a ticket. The ticket indicates the distance you're while the bus driver is just concentrating on his job of driving safely. It's like having a pilot and a co-pilot. Well, the function is different, of course, but they're always in tandem. That's the conductor behind me already distributing the tickets to other passengers. So we're waiting for our ticket. Ticket. Wala. Sincerely is a small change or smaller bills because we're just alighting to. Okay, salamat. Thank you. So this is our ticket. I'm just waiting for my change or sincilio or cambio. After the conductor has given the tickets to all the passengers, he will start collecting the payment for the fare according to who's going to alight first. Already preparing his change to us. Okay, this is my change. He is giving me my change for my 50 pesos. To alight means to panao. It's our bus passenger. Pasahero in Ilonggo. Tricycle. Ni is our tricycle driver. Now we're on the tricycle. They at the back, and our driver here is our Suki. Suki is, we are the customer, so we are his constant customer, so we call each other Suki. So your constant business partner, client, customer relations. You're going to pay. Bayad dong. That's not bayad. Duhan ya. Duhan is per equal. There. Let's just wait. It's quite a bumpy ride. This is how it looks like from my view. Salamat. Time for us to get off the tricycle. And we're home. Yay, home sweet home. We're home. So there you have it. 3 forms of transportation: the jeepney, the bus, and the tricycle. And how to use Ilonggo words to get through riding these Philippine public transportation and in Ilonggo. So if you like this video, like, share, and subscribe, and see you again in our next video. Bye bye for now.